Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to use the pull tab to activate the Launchpad in Discord. This guide will walk you through the exact steps to set it up so you can open your Launchpad easily without digging through menus. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app on your phone. Once it's open, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your account settings. Next, you'll see a gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and tap that to open your full settings menu. Here, Discord gives you access to all the features and preferences you can adjust to personalize your experience. Now, start scrolling down until you find the section called Advanced. Tap on Advanced to open it. This area includes some of Discord's extra tools and experimental options that can make navigation smoother. Once you're in the Advanced section, scroll again until you see the part labeled Launchpad. Under Launchpad, you'll find different ways to access it, and this is where the Pull Tab option comes in. To turn it on, simply select Pull Tab from the Launchpad choices. With this enabled, you'll be able to open your Launchpad quickly by just pulling down on your screen, giving you instant access to shortcuts, tools, and any active activities you've got running in Discord.